Hi, it's Mimi Panya once again. Welcome back to my channel. For today, we are going to cook fried rice with vegetable and chicken with sweet chili sauce. If you are new in this channel, please hit thumbs up and please subscribe and click the bell button and please select all notification para updated ka sa aking mga new videos. So let's start to marinate the chicken. Just add chili powder, black pepper, salt, and egg. Just mix it well. Then add your flour, mix it again, and keep in the refrigerator for half an hour. The ingredients of our chicken sweet chili sauce: we have fresh tomato blend, red and yellow pepper, onion, garlic, and chili, and the chicken marinated. We have to fry first the chicken. After frying all the chicken, you have to set aside and we will salt the ingredients. Just we cook the onion and the garlic. Then add your fresh tomato. If you want more chili, just add chili powder. Then add your yellow and red pepper and the chili. If you want sticky, you can add a little bit of cornstarch and mix it with now water. Then add your fried chicken. And that's it. Very easy and very fast and very delicious. And you can add on toppings the sesame seeds and green onion. Thank you, and I hope you like it. And for fried rice, the rice is cooked already. We have to fry only. Just put oil on the cooking pot, the onion, the garlic, and your mixed vegetables. We have frozen, or you can make also fresh vegetable, but it's very easy if you buy frozen. Then add turmeric powder to make it more color of your rice. Then add salt and black pepper. Then your cooked rice. Just mix slowly and cover it with the slow fire. You have to reduce the fire, and that's it. Very easy. Thank you, and I hope you like it. God bless you.